In Chapter 2, we are going to talk about the Web3 providers. And now we have the Web3.js in our project, and let's get it initialized and talking to the blockchain, and we have to use the Web3 providers. And it's just like using the API when you are doing some simple or traditional website. You have to use the API to communicate with the backend, and so now you have to use the Web3 provider to do the similar things. And so we have to use the inferior, and this is the recommend the way. And you could also host your Ethereum node as provider, but this is much easier to use a third party. So this is a how to set up the Web3 to use the inferior in your website. And you also have to sign in with your web. And so if you already know the OpenSea or other the app, you already have see this before. And for example, if you go to the OpenSea, and you will see the sign in. So let's try to explore. Now, if you click on here, you can see you can connect with your wallet like MetaMask Coinbase wallet. So we can choose MetaMask, and then you have to sign in. You can click the password, or you can you can use your password to log in. So we back to our crypto zombie. So this is how to sign the interaction with their private key. So actually the MetaMask we just seen is the Chrome extensions or Firefox extension. So this is much easier to use the MetaMask to sign in with your website. So but how to use the MetaMask Web3 provider, you just need to add this code inside your body, inside your web page body. So now we can just copy this and paste to here. So we check the answer.